Okay, I had a commenter ask about the ping performance through these MoCA adapters. So I've connected two of the MoCA adapters to each other, connected to my network, and connected the laptop to them. So let's see what kind of ping we get. I'm just going to ping a local machine on my network. Okay. So we're seeing around 4 milliseconds. Try again. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty consistent. I'm seeing about 4 milliseconds. One more time. Yeah. Okay. So between 3 and 4 milliseconds. So let me change to connecting directly to the laptop, and let's see what we get. Give me a sec. Okay. Let's go. Okay, that seems odd. Ping is longer. That's true. No. Something's wrong. Okay, I'm wondering if, yeah. I'm wondering if maybe there's a problem with the cable. Give me a sec. Let me change to the other cable. Okay. Try again. Ah, this is much better. The other cable wasn't actually training at gigabit. So 1 millisecond, yeah. So that's what I would expect. About 1 millisecond. Yeah, okay. So if ping is very important to you, these adapters do add between 2 and 3 milliseconds to your path. So if that's a problem for you, then yeah, these are probably not the solution. It does make sense though, because you are going through, you know, a bit of coaxial cable and a couple of translations. But if it's a problem, then there you go. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. Until next time.